Number 71, Oh Come All Ye Faithful. I don't know what time of the year it is for you, but it's not Christmas time. But it's a piece that we probably know. So it'll help us knowing the melody already. We are in G major. We have that sharp at the beginning, and we are in 4/4. We have a pickup note leading us in with just that fourth beat. 4 da, 3 4 da da. There are a lot of dynamics in this, and you can put even more crescendos in it. It makes it a lot of fun. So I would like to do that while I pluck and while I play it. So watch out for your low twos on your A string. We don't have anything on the E string. And we don't have any fermatas this time or retardandos. You might want to retardando the ending as you see fit. All right, let's pluck from the beginning. Pretend it's in a bow. Ready, go. G, G, D, G, A, D, B, A, B, C natural, B, A, G, G, F sharp, F, G, A, B, F sharp, E, D, D, 2, 3, all three, B, C natural, B, A, C, B, A, B, G, fourth finger, F, E, D, G, D, B, B, A, B, C natural, B, A louder, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, C natural, B, A, G, G. Cool, let's do it with the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.